side close, so it's half a box. Now, my next step, my right foot is straight back. I'm doing a quarter turn, so I'm going to step left foot side and right foot closest to left. I'm just going to do that part again. So I'm stepping right foot back, left foot side, and right foot closest to left. So now I've done a quarter turn. And in essence, what I'm doing is I'm opening the door for the lady. I'm going to continue my rotation, which is left foot forward, side close, and then right foot back, side close. I'm going to show this to you from a different angle. I'm stepping half a box, 1, 2, 3. I'm stepping back. I'm going to invite the lady to come through. I step side close. I continue rotating my shoulders. I step forward, side close, and then right foot back, side close. And now for the ladies part. So she's doing half a box, right foot back, side close. Now the next 3 steps, very important. She's just going straight. Walk, 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 turning, half a box, and left foot forward, side close. From a different angle, she does half a box, goes forward 3 steps, 1, 2, 3, turning, 1, 2, 3, and finishing 1, 2, 3. So, let me just explain this pattern a little bit with Melina. And we'll take this angle. We're starting with half a box, 1, 2, 3. Now, we're going to take one step at a time. I step back with the right foot, the lady steps forward. I'm opening the door, she continues to step. I rotate my shoulders, step forward, side together, and then I step back, side together, she steps forward, side together. So we'll do that again. Step 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. And now we'll do it with the music.